Hello students, welcome to our online class for our science subject. How are you today? Hope you're doing well. Today we are going to have our online class for our science. Okay, and before we'll proceed, let us have first our vocabulary words. Here are our 3 vocabulary words. Number 1, everybody repeat after the teacher. Topsoil. Again, topsoil. Let us spell the word topsoil. T-O-P-S-O-I-L. Topsoil. Very good. Now, for our second word is subsoil. Again, please. Subsoil. Let us spell the word subsoil. S-U-B-S-O-I-L. Subsoil. Great. Okay, for our third word is bedrock. Again, please. Bedrock. Let us spell the word bedrock. B-A-D-R-O-C-K. Bedrock. Very good. Okay, now our topic today, it's all about soil layer. Again, please. Soil layer. Okay, before we will proceed, let's watch first a short video about soil layer.
In this video lesson, we will learn about layers of soil. Soil has 5 layers. They are O horizon or organic layer, A horizon or topsoil, B horizon or subsoil, C horizon or parent rock, and R horizon or bedrock. Let's learn about these 5 layers one by one. O horizon or organic layer. It is the thin topmost layer of dead plant and animal material like dead leaves, twigs, and insects. This dead material makes O horizon rich in organic matter, also known as humus, which is helpful for the growth of plants. Organic layer may or may not be present in different land types. The land type that has this layer is the most fertile. A horizon or topsoil. Below O horizon is the A horizon or the topsoil. This is the layer where we sow seeds. This layer is rich in humus and minerals. The soil in this layer is soft and porous, and so it can hold enough air and water. All these conditions help seeds to germinate and grow into new plants. This layer is also home to many small creatures like earthworms, bugs, and microorganisms like bacteria and fungi. B horizon or subsoil. Below topsoil is present B horizon or subsoil. This layer is more solid and less porous. It is deeper, and so the roots of only big plants reach this layer. This layer does not have humus, but it is rich in mineral salts that the roots of big plants absorb from here. C horizon or parent rock. This layer is present below the subsoil. It consists of wet weathered or broken rock material. Sea horizon is also known as parent rock because the layers above originate from this layer. Our horizon or bedrock. The bottommost layer of the soil is known as bedrock. It consists of unweathered parent rock. It is present several feet below the ground.
Okay, that is all about soil layer. Okay, for more further explanation about soil layer, okay, I will explain it. Okay, our soil has 5 layers. The first layer is the O horizon or the organic layer, okay, and the A horizon or the topsoil. And next is the B horizon or what we call it the subsoil. The next is the C horizon or we call it the parent rock or the bits of rock. And the next is the R horizon or what we call it the bed rock. Okay, now let's talk about first the organic layer or the O horizon. Okay, the organic layer is the topmost layer of the soil, right? Yes. And the organic layer may or may not be present in different land types. And next, the land types that has this layer is the most fertile. Okay, so this layer is the most fertile layer of the soil because this fertile soil comes from the dead animals, plants, and twigs, and also insects, right? Yes. Okay, now let's proceed to the second layer, the topsoil, or what we call it, the A horizon. Okay, in the topsoil, this is where plants have the roots. Okay, those small plants have the roots in the A horizon, or what we call it, the top soil. Next, this layer is where we sow seeds. Yes. Okay, in this layer, okay, this layer is where we sow the seeds, right? And the soil in this layer is soft and porous, and so it can hold enough water and air to help the seeds to germinate and grow plants. So this layer is the best for growing plants, right? Okay, because air and water is present there, and also this layer is where we grow seeds, right? Okay, let's proceed. The next layer or the third layer is the subsoil, or what we call it, the B horizon. Okay, the B horizon, this layer has more solid and less porous, right? Okay, next, only big plants can reach their roots in this layer or this layer, right? Okay, this layer are only those big plants or trees, okay, can reach in this layer because this layer does not have humus, but this is rich in mineral soil. Okay, that's why the big plants needs mineral soil. That's why their roots can reach in this layer, right? The subsoil. Okay, remember, subsoil rich in mineral soil. Okay, now let us proceed. The bits of rock, or what we call it, the C horizon or the parent rock. Okay, in this layer is below the subsoil and it consists broken rock materials, right? That's why we call it bits of rocks. Okay, and the next layer is the bedrock, or what we call it, the R horizon. Okay, this layer is the bottommost layer of the soil. So, in this layer also is the hardest layer of the soil. Remember the word hardest layer of the soil. And there is no water and air is present in this layer. Okay, most of this layer is rock. Okay, solid rock. That's why there's no more water and air present there in this layer. Okay, so let's have a review for this topic. Okay, this topic we call it, we discuss about the soil has 5 layers. The O horizon or the organic layers, an A horizon or the topsoil. The next is the B horizon or the subsoil, and the C horizon or the parent rock, or what we call it, the bits of rock. And the last layer is the R horizon, or what we call it, the bed rock. Okay, this time it's time for us to have our activity. Kindly answer your live worksheet activity given by your teacher. Okay, now for our activity. This activity is in your book on page number 89. Okay, in your science subject. Okay, this is what we are going to do. Answer the questions. There are 3 questions here, and then you are going to answer it. Okay, question number 1, I will read it and I will give you the correct answer. Okay, number 1, which layer do plants have their roots in? Again, which layer do plants have their roots in? Okay, those plants, those are small plants only. Okay, so where or which layer we can see the roots of the small plants? Okay, what do you think is the answer? Okay, the top soil. Very good. Okay, for number 2 until number 3, you will be the one to answer by yourself. Okay. Stay home, stay safe, and stay healthy. See you soon, students. Goodbye.